If you ignore this video, you are risking 20 to 30 marks in your class 12 board exams. Yes, 20 to 30 marks that most students lose every single year. And not because they don't study, but because they prepare practicals in the wrong way. Let me tell you that class 12 practical exams are the easiest marks you will ever get. Most practicals are of 20 marks, and in some subjects, they are even of 30 marks. So listen carefully. Examiners don't want to fail you in practicals, they want to give you marks, but only if you look confident, prepared, and smart. And today, I will show you exactly how to do that without studying all day. Let's talk about the practical file first. Before you speak a single word in front of your examiner, your practical file speaks for you. And remember this line: first impression is the last impression, especially in front of the external examiner. Your cover page must look the best. Neat handwriting, clean diagrams, proper indexing. These things silently give you marks. Let's talk about the Viva strategy, the most feared part. Viva is not all about knowing everything, it's about how confidently you answer. Most questions come from your practical file. They will ask some basic definitions or diagrams, so never panic. Even half answers, if spoken confidently, can save your marks. If you are confused about accountancy, business studies, or economics practicals, and you feel like everyone knows what to do except you, this video is exactly for you. Let's simplify practicals in the smartest way. Let's talk about the accountancy practical strategy. For accountancy, don't treat practicals like theory. Understand the formats, not steps. Know why entries are written and focus on ratio analysis, cash flow statement, and common adjustments. These are the most important chapters from where examiners ask the question the most. If you explain logic calmly, externals help you instead of cutting the marks. Business studies practical strategy. Business studies practicals are about presentation and examples. Learn project objectives in simple words. Know 2 to 3 real life examples. Revise case studies, business environment chapter. This is where the most questions come. And final tip: speak confidently even if answer is short. Confidence will give you marks. Now let's come to economics. Economics practicals look scary, but they are not. Smart approach: clearly understand the graphs, trends, interpretation lines, practice explaining graphs in one sentence. Don't memorize them, just observe them. And the most important tip, which helped me a lot, that please go through your economics file twice or thrice. Most of the questions come directly from the economics file. If stuck, explain the trend, not numbers. Most important part of this video: biggest mistakes that students make in practicals. This is where most students lose marks, not because they don't know the answers, but because of how they behave. Mistake number 1: rushing answers without thinking. Fast answers don't impress the examiners, clean answers do. Mistake 2: ignoring the practical file before the exam. Most Viva questions come directly from the file. Mistake number 3: panicking or going completely silent. Mistake number 4: thinking practicals are easy and need no preparation. These are the marks students regret losing the most. Practical marks are lost quietly and students realize it only after the results. If you prepare smartly, practical exam become the easiest marks of class 12. Even average students score very high here with the right strategy. This channel exists so you never feel lost before exams. If you want smart preparation, not stress, stay connected with me.